Okay, good evening, all of you. It's going to be a wonderful evening, I'm very sure. I'm Pramod Dalmia here, and on behalf of Climb Webinars, which we have been organizing for quite some time now, I welcome you all. Today in this session, we have a lot of teachers joining from Kuwait. Obviously, there are a lot of teachers from India as well. But this probably would be the first such session where such a large number of teachers are joining from Kuwait itself. So it's extremely an honor for us that we have been continuously organizing these webinars. And I'm happy that you all people have been supporting us to a very great extent. We have been getting a lot of feedback and a lot of reviews of you teachers. The webinar is about an hour. And after that, we can take up some questions if you feel so. And as already informed to you, in the today's session, we are going to talk about Kahoot and Padlet. These are the two wonderful tools which can make your class interactive. So Uzma ma'am is going to take that, and she is from Ellen House, Khalasi Lane, Kanpur. And the best part of is this about the today's resource person is that she has been attending our webinars. And then I just put up a request. There was a request from some of the teachers in the earlier webinars that can we have some session on Padlet? And so I just put up the request, and she was so gracious enough to volunteer. She said that, yes, I can take Kahoot and I can take Padlet. So I thought nothing like it. So that is how ma'am is here. She would be talking to you about these two tools. And then the best thing is that she has been herself using them in this, and then she found them extremely useful. So I'm very sure that today's session is going to be very practical. Now, a few things about the session. As I told you, it is about an hour and maybe extended to 10-15 minutes depending on your doubts if you have any. And without taking much of our time, I just hand over the further session to Uzma ma'am. So Uzma ma'am, please take over. Thank you so much.
Good evening, Dalmia.
Thank
Good
you.
evening, teachers, friends, and all the colleagues over here. Thank you so much for your kind words. And I would like to extend my thanks definitely to you for the technical support and for conducting such great seminars these days. And before taking up the session, I would just like to introduce myself. That my name is Uzma Akhtar, and I am a doctoral scholar also along with a teacher. I'm doing PhD and on the last stage almost. And I've been in this profession since past 10 years. And since last 7 years, I have been working with Allen House Public School Khalasi Line, which is under Superhouse Education Foundation. And definitely in this time of pandemic, we all are facing such difficult situations. And I will call it as an opportunity, not a difficult situation, because this has given us a lot of time to explore and learn different kind of tools. And I took it definitely as an opportunity because I learned many other tools during this course. So today I'll be taking up two important tools. One is Kahoot and one is Padlet, and these two tools are one of the most collaborative and engaging tools. We all are facing this problem that students ka utna, it is not students are not very engaged in online classes. But believe me, with these two tools, they are definitely going to get engaged, and there are different kind of activities you can conduct with Padlet as well. And Kahoot is a quizzing app. So I will not take much of time, and I'll start with my presentation. Sir, can I share the screen now?
Yeah, please, ma'am. Please proceed.
Okay. So first, I think before telling about how to create a quiz on Kahoot and more about Kahoot, we can play a small game on Kahoot, and then I'll tell you how we can go. I think Dalma says that okay?
Yeah, ma'am, please. Absolutely.
Okay. So
Absolutely.
you'll just have to, teachers, you'll just have to type on your browser kahoot.it, it, Kahoot dot it, Kahoot.it in any of your browser. You can open Chrome browser also, and you can type Kahoot.it. Okay. There is this game pin option must be coming in your browser screen. 220182. 220182. This option is coming in your browser screen. 220182. You can type this game pin. Just open your browser, web browser, any of the web browser. On my screen, you can see the browser name also, website name also, www.kahoot.it. And you can join it with the help of a game pin, 220182. Okay, we have around 95, 96. Okay. Dalmir sir, I think I can begin the game by now. Teachers may join in.
Yeah, ma'am. Please. We
Right.
should start.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely. So,
Okay.
it is
Name
right.
the founder of Amazon. There'll be 4 options shown in your screen: red, blue, yellow, and green. Red is for Uday Kotak, blue is for Jeff Bezos, yellow is for Jack Ma, green is for Mukesh Ambani. Red, Uday Kotak, blue, Jeff Bezos, yellow, Jack Ma, green, Mukesh Ambani. Okay. Around 50 participants have given the correct answer. And next, okay. This is the scoreboard here. Next question is true and false. IBRD is commonly known as World Bank. Blue for true, red for false. IBRD is commonly known as World Bank. Blue for true, red for false. Blue for true, red for false. Blue for true and red for false. Okay, 138 have answered and 81 have correctly answered. The answer is of course true. And this is the scoreboard here. And we move on to the next question. Which type of solar eclipse occurred on 21st June 2020? Partial, annual, hybrid, total. Partial, annual, hybrid, total. Which type of solar eclipse occurred on 21st June 2020? Partial is red, annual is blue, hybrid is yellow, and green is total. Okay, 27 has answered correctly. Next, this is the scoreboard. Okay, true or false? Fabiflu drug for COVID-19 has been launched by India. Blue is for true and red is for false. Blue is for true and red is for false. Fabiflu drug for COVID-19 has been launched by India. Blue is for true and red is for false. Okay, 153 have answered and out of 6 them, 65 was correct. It is true. And this is a scoreboard. Raman Magsaysay Awards, known as Asia's version of the Nobel Prize, have been cancelled this year due to COVID-19. Raman Magsaysay Award have been cancelled. True or false? Blue is for true and red is for false. Blue is for true and red is for false. 153 out of them, 100 have answered correctly. Okay, and this is the last question. This is the scoreboard, and then we come to the last question. Which country of the world declared itself COVID-free recently? Which country of the world declared itself COVID-free? Red, New Zealand, blue, Iran, yellow, Russia, green, Italy. Red, New Zealand, blue, Iran, yellow, Russia, and green, Italy. New Zealand, Iran, Russia, Italy. And we have got 156 answers, out of which 136 were correct. And let's see the scoreboard. We get the podium also. Miss Isha has come first and followed by Miss Chetna and then Sumi. Okay. I hope teachers must have enjoyed this.
Yes, they are saying that they enjoyed it.
Yeah, this is one of the most interesting thing about Kahoot, that you can play it on live with your students. So now I'll begin how to do this. And this is very easy. You want to do it with the help of your browser, you can do it with the help of a browser also. If you're using mobile, you can do it with the help of a mobile also, because Kahoot is an app in the mobile also. So I will just share my screen again. So Kahoot is a free for all app and can be accessed easily through any device. You can access it with the help of a browser. You can access it with the help of a smartphone. Making an account is very easy. Just type Google search, go to kahoot.com, click the link, you will be taken to the website. Once you click the official link, you will get 4 thumbnails where you are asked whether you are a teacher, student, social, or work. You have to click on teacher because definitely you are going to use it as a teacher. This form, screen will come in this form. I want to use Kahoot as a teacher, as a student, socially, or work. You'll have to click here on as a teacher. Then you can sign up for free. You can use your Google account. You don't have to make any other account for it. You can use your Google account. On the top hand corner, when your page will be open, you will get an option for create. You'll have to click, a new page will be opened, and you can give a title to your quiz. You can add questions in the form of quiz, true and false, poll, etc. But there are few things which are free, and there are few things which are for premium purchase. Some tools you definitely get for free, and which is fine. I think for teachers we can use those tools only. If you want to purchase the premium, there are different charges for it. So this is how the screen will come. You'll have to go to this option sign up when you'll open the kahoot.com. Then here the basic one you have to select. You can purchase the pro and the premium version, but you can select the basic one. This way the pop-up will come and you'll have to click on create, and now I'll show you how to do it on the website only directly.
Now, is it required that this app has to be downloaded by the students or the teachers, or it is not?
No, not for the students. It is not required. If the teachers are playing it live, then it is not required. But yes, when they are assigning the game, then they have to download the app.
What is the difference between playing live and assigning the game? You'll be explaining that?
Yes, in live option, it is there. It becomes very interactive. Students want to see their name on the scoreboard. They want to see their name on the podium. So they do it with full of excitement.
So just say, Abhi, you are doing live.
Yes, right now I've done it live.
So if you are doing live, no need to download the app.
No need to download the app when we are doing it live.
The students also need not to download. Teachers also.
No, teachers also need not to download.
Okay. So
and but for teachers, what I feel is it is better that they download it, because right now maximum teachers are using their smartphones only for teaching. Very few have that facility of laptop or desktop, and then that bandwidth is required more in laptop and desktop than in smartphone. So it is beneficial that if teachers download the app and do it on the smartphone only.
Okay.
Easy to create, very easy to create on smartphone.
Okay.
Because it is very handy for teachers.
Okay. Okay. And then one needs to sign up somewhere to use a free option of that?
Yes. You have to sign up.
As a teacher?
As a teacher. Students don't have to. No. When we are signing the game to the students don't have to.
Okay. Fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
So I will just open the, I've already logged in here. So this is how, once you have logged in, this is how the screen will appear. Here on top right hand side corner, you'll see the option of create. This is the home page basically. Like I have added as a school name, it asks when we join as a teacher, it asks the name of the school. You can enter the name of the school. This is for discover. And one of the best thing about Kahoot is there are many pre-created quizzes here. You can just search. Suppose I want to search on a quiz. I can search any topic here and I will get those quiz. There are pre-made quizzes and teachers post it here. Then this is my profile where whatever quizzes I have taken, whatever quizzes I have created will be shown here on this my Kahoot site here. And like just now I took this quiz, it is showing here. Then I can upgrade if I want to purchase the premium package, I can definitely upgrade it. But like I am able to do it in the free version only, and I'm able to, multiple choice questions are there and I'm able to do it. So I don't think so. Like every time you need to purchase any premium app or something for this. Many options are available in free also. Now I'll show you how to create. We'll go to this option create. create a new Kahoot. I'll click on it. Now here you can assign time limit to students, like I can make it for 30 seconds. Points can be changed, increase or decrease, whatever points I want to give. Option can be changed, but the single select, like suppose I have two answers for the question, but in free version we can only select one option, not two options. Okay, so now here we can change the image. Any image you want to put, you can put an image here. Suppose I take one question for this and I have taken this image. Now this is the image. Here I will type the question. Suppose I want to type who is the founder of Microsoft. There is some problem in my keyboard. I'll just edit this. Who is the founder of Microsoft and question mark. Now, here we are getting the option of writing the answers. I'll use the on-screen keyboard only. You'll have to click it here and then write Bill Gates. Okay, and you will get an option to put a tick if this answer is correct. Bill Gates is the founder of Microsoft. This answer is correct. There will be an option will be coming to make sure when students answer, this answer is correct, and you'll get to know. So when you are framing the question, you can definitely, you'll have to put the correct option, tick on the correct option. Then you can write here as Satya Nadella. Then next is and the last I can write as so our correct answer is Bill Gates. We have already put a tick on it, and now it is done. The title here is we can give as miscellaneous title. Description is optional. You can write anything about business. Continue. Okay. Now back to edit. When I have to enter the next option, I can preview also. I can preview them also. This is how the question will come, and I will tick the correct answer. 23 seconds, 24. Yes. This is how it will come. Okay.
There's a question, can we set a date also?
Yes, you can. When you are assigning it, you can set a date. There is an option. I'll just now show.
Date and time as well.
Yes, I'll show how. Now here comes the option of add question, where you have created this quiz. Like this is only one question. You can create add question. Again, you can write true and false here. Uh,
Now, there's a question, can this quiz be used in any other platform? Means platform has to be Kahoot itself, no?
Yes, it has to be Kahoot itself.
Kahoot ka there are other quizzes for other platforms.
Yes, there are different. Yes,
There are many other quizzing platforms, but ये Kahoot का ही है, तो it can be used only at Kahoot. This quizzing is in Kahoot. We are discussing Kahoot quizzing.
yes, exactly. And here, like I have put a question, Japan's capital is Tokyo. So it is in the form of true and false. So, like I have added this as a correct option. I have to put a tick, 20-second time limit, 1000 points, and the question is done here. Okay, then back to edit. I'll add another question. This is how I can create the entire quiz. Now, when I'll have to play the quiz, I'll go back to my main screen, exit. Now, I just named it as MIS. So I'll just open my Kahoot where I have created it. I'll open this. Now I have to play. So here I have just clicked assign option comes, sir. जो हम assign करना है students को, तो assign.
Now this is a case where you have created a quiz. You are not playing live.
Yes.
You are sending it to the students. आप
Yes.
students को link भेज रहे हैं या send कर रहे हैं, then they can. Okay.
Yes. Now here you can set the date, you can set the time, you can set the question order also. The option will come for that also. Date, time, like suppose I can change the date, I can change the time also, I can send it to the students and they will be able to do it in that particular time only. They don't have to, increase the time. They don't have to keep it waiting for the entire day. You can set a time limit for half an hour. 10 questions, 15 minutes, 20 questions, half an hour. According to you, you can set the time, and question timer is also there. For every question, you can give 20 seconds, 30 seconds. The students will be able to do it in a particular time only. They'll not, increase the time. You don't have to wait at every time that when the students will be doing it or not. And after the students have done, you can get the result also here.
Ma'am, is it possible for you to go back and show the assigning part again?
Yes, sir, why not?
Yeah.
I'll go back to my Kahoots again. I have gone to my Kahoots. I will.
Okay, this is your Kahoot quiz
I have created. And previous quiz is also there.
Okay,
they will be there stored in the account. They will not go anywhere.
Fine.
You have just opened the quiz which you want to share with the students. Here the play option comes. You'll have to click on the option play.
Okay.
Yes.
So to assign to the students, we have to click on play, and then this window will.
Two options come. Yes.
Okay.
Teach and assign. We have to click on assign.
So what is the difference between teach and assign, ma'am?
Teach means when we are playing over live.
Live. Okay.
Yes.
Class में अपने सामने हम
अपने सामने. It's a classroom activity that can be done.
Okay.
And assign is students can do it self-paced learning की तरह whenever they want to. They can do it. If teachers set a particular time, they'll do it in that particular time only. Okay. You don't have to sit on the screen and explain everything to the students and shout out the questions and everything. Okay. That is not necessary when you are doing this assign way.
Okay.
Both way can be done. If you want to have it in an engaging activity, you can do it as live. And if you wanted कि students अपने आप से कर लें as a homework also, you can assign them.
Okay.
And from smartphone it becomes very easy because वहाँ पे directly share का option आता है. If you have a WhatsApp group, if you have Google Classroom or whatever platform, LMS platform you are using, you can share it directly from here. This option comes, you can type the name, you can copy the link from here. Copy the link, share wherever you want to. Okay. The link has been copied, and if I want to share it, I can share it. Just now I'll share it to you, Dalmia sir, on WhatsApp.
Okay. Ma'am, how the results are shown on this?
So you must have received the quiz?
Yes, I have received.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you can solve it, then I'll show how to do it. Live पे दिखा देंगे फिर उनको.
मैं इसको दिखाऊं क्या कि how it is visible on my screen? Now, this is how it is appearing on my screen. This says ma'am has sent me the link. This is how it is showing me. So if I click it here, मैं यहाँ पे click करूँगा तो I can see the questions now. मैं questions देख सक रहा हूँ. मैम ने जो question किया है, and then these are the options. अच्छा ये solve करने में. So these are the 2 questions given to me. So this is there. So this is how it can go. Yeah, ma'am. Please, you can take the screen, ma'am. Please.
Yes, sir. Just give me a moment. I'm just sharing my screen again. So this quiz is the most easiest thing. You can change the time. You can assign the students whenever you want to.
Yeah.
And students also enjoy it because we have taken up the sessions and students really enjoyed it. Though we took most of the live sessions, but yes. And you can also, when you click on discover here, okay, so we can discover, we can search many different, we can just put on the topics like I want to find a Kahoot about economics. I'll put any topic, maybe I can put production possibility curve. There will already be many quizzes created on production possibility curve, opportunity cost, any topic that we want. And okay, I'll just share my screen. I went to this point discover here. I went to discover, I click discover, a search box will come. I will click on the search box and I'll enter the topic that I want. I'll get many pre-made quiz. Already teachers have created the quiz and posted here for public, and you can take any quiz. When you take the quiz, you can mark it as a favorite. You can edit the quiz as per your syllabus. You can edit the quiz, you can save it as per your syllabus. And it is very easy to do it. Like, I want to change a question, I can change a question. I can keep it, I can change the title also if I want to. Like, these are the questions here. I want to change any question. I'll just go on edit. So I'll just continue with it. You can edit it. You can discover whichever quiz you want to. You can search them. You can edit it.
This is Kahoot is done, huh?
Yeah, almost done. It's all done. And teachers, I think it is better if you download the app. You'll be able to explore it in a better way. All the options are there. And I'll be sharing my PPT also to Dalmia sir. He can send it to you. You can use pre-downloaded quizzes also. You can create your own quiz. If you are taking pre-downloaded quiz, you have an option to check the questions and answers. The option is there. You can check the questions, you can check the answers. Don't totally rely on those pre-recorded quizzes. You may have to change as per your syllabi, as per the students level. That can be done easily. So sir, I think we
Yeah.
can
Okay,
app is
ma'am. There's a query here कि जो download है ये मोबाइल पे और कंप्यूटर पे पीसी पे दोनों पे कर सकते हैं ना? We can download in both.
हाँ नहीं, कंप्यूटर पे डाउनलोड करने की जरूरत नहीं है. यू कैन ओपन इट ऑन द ब्राउजर एंड पीसी पे, हाँ मोबाइल पे यू हैव एन ऐप, you can download this.
Okay, so the option is when you are running through computer or PC और लैपटॉप से हम कर रहे हैं तो हम ब्राउजर से कर सकते हैं. So directly there is no need to
Yes, there is no need.
And then when you are using for mobile, so it is better to download an app. And then there's a question that can we change the answers also if the questions are already there?
Yes, you can change
Any
the
form.
answer.
We can edit the questions in any way we want, isn't it?
Yes, easily. For open-ended questions, someone has asked about open-ended questions. We have to purchase the premium package. We can only use in free. We can only use 2 packages. One is for your multiple choice question, and one is true and false. Okay. So, sir, now I will just show about Padlet. I think we can move to Padlet. No, students need not install it. It's not necessary. Now students have an option of split screen. You don't every time have to read out the questions like I was doing. No, there is no need to read out the questions every time. you can share your screen on your Zoom screen if you're using Zoom, if you're using WebEx, or if you're using Google Meet. Questions will be shown on your Zoom or WebEx screen. Students can see the questions and students can give the answer. Just game pin has to be shared with the students. You can have descriptive questions, but for that you need to uh, take the premium version. No, spreadsheet option is not there. We can ask descriptive questions. Once again, I'm telling, but for that we need premium package. You'll have to purchase the package, which is around $3 a month or $6 a month. You can use Padlet and Kahoot both on your phones. Now I will just show you how to use Padlet. Before using Padlet, I'll show you the work that students have done on the Padlet. I'm sharing my screen here. Okay, there are some questions. First, I'll answer. How to create pin for Kahoot. When you share it live, when you will click on the link Teach, you'll be able to share the pin with the students. Students can see the pin. Kahoot is for live and assign both. And pin is generated automatically. Definitely, pin is generated. Padlet is different. Padlet can be used more as a bulletin board activity. Padlet can be used as an activity. Totally, both Padlet and Kahoot are two different platforms. I use Kahoot, so I find Kahoot for quizzing better. Pin, can you tell me what is the pin of Kahoot? Pin of Kahoot is a password. It's like a password. When students will enter the pin, then only they'll be able to join the quiz live. For live sharing, pin is required. Otherwise, pin is not required. You can simply assign, you can simply share the quiz to the students on WhatsApp. Now I'll be sharing my screen. This is the activity I got done in my class. I gave them a question, write down the examples of sectors of Indian economy. And they wrote it then and there. Within 5 minutes, I got this activity done in the class. It was a live board that was created by the students. They attached the pictures, they have attached in their own handwriting also, they have written, and they have text also. They have used text also to write. This is like an online bulletin board. The Padlet is like an online bulletin board, and I'll show you another Padlet also that I got created for class 9th human resource. I gave them a question. What is human resource? What do you mean by human resource? And I'll just it's just getting downloaded. Yes. The students have written, like, this was my question. What is human resource by my question? And students have responded. They started writing, and I was getting it on my bulletin board then and there. This is how students were responding. The moment you send the link to students, student write, and you'll get. You can create an online bulletin board with the help of Padlet, and it is a very, very engaging activity which can be done in the class with the students. Okay, so I will tell you how to use Padlet. Yes, students can solve numerical questions also here. The keyboard, they should know how to use type fractions and all. Able to, and they can write it on a piece of paper and they can attach the image. Now, once you log in, the screen comes like this. Yes, you have an app for Padlet. Padlet, you can type on Android store. You can easily get Padlet there. Now, once you have login, you log in, simple, Google पे जाके Padlet open किया, you open Padlet, you'll go to the web. Login is simple. Sign up करिए आप अपने Gmail account से. You can use Google account for signing it. And when you sign it, the screen will open up. And यहाँ पे there's this option, make a Padlet. You click on this make a Padlet option. Now I'm not able to because I have already exceeded the limit, but I'll share my PPT for this and I'll show how to do it.
You can, if it is possible, then maybe some used Padlet can be deleted and you can make a new one also. एक छोटा सा कोई ऐसा ट्रायल का आपका बना हुआ हो तो वो आप डिलीट करके नया बना सकते हैं.
Account. I'll just see if it is. If
Yeah,
I'm able
I
to
think
make
yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah. You
Yeah.
can definitely make one.
And I can also see how you can also see how to log in, sign up and all in this. This is the dashboard. Okay. Okay, it's ma'am. Like here, if you click on make on a Padlet, the screen opens here. Now here, below you get an option to write something. Suppose I want to write my name. I have written my name. Then there is an option to upload. I can upload and pick a file here. I can attach a link. I can pick any file I want to from here. I can click a picture then and there and send it. And like there's nothing, no, I'll share it. Now I'll share this. Like students can attach any picture they want to. That's very easy to attach. You just have to click on the link of upload and students will be able to attach it. The screenshot is being uploaded here and you'll see how. And students can attach a link of the documents also. If you want to collect any project from students, they can attach any link and send it. It is getting attached. There is an error uploading the file. I think the file is a little big. But anyway, if I just want to, I'll just post my name here. See, my name will come. Whosoever wants to post anything, I can post anything else also, like whatever you post. It is coming as anonymous. That is why we ask students to mention their name in the title. Students mention the name in the title and it gets open. Like I've shared on my dashboard here also. Padlets that students have created. In each Padlet, students have shared their name. Here, students have mentioned their name like this. So first we ask students to write the name and then attempt the answer. It is easy for students to do it that way. A new online bulletin board will be created. Whatever you want to write can be posted here. You can place it whichever way you want to. Like ma'am, it's ma'am's Padlet, the ma'am will be able to place it wherever she wants to place it easily. She can change the format. It is easy to change the format. Like here, this is my Padlet. I'll show you. This is already created. I'll just open my own created ones and I'll show how to change the format of the Padlets. These things.
There's a question how to create, how to start with a Padlet. मतलब
You
कैसे?
just have to click on make a Padlet.
Okay, ये बता
You
दीजिए.
just
You
have
have
to
to
click
click
on
here.
make Padlet.
यहाँ पे.
You have to click.
Okay, okay. ये जो
And then there will be, yes sir.
जो pink वाला है button, there we need to click
वाला.
that if you want to state a Padlet. Okay.
हाँ. The moment you click, you will be open to a new background there. And there you'll be able to make a new Padlet and you can share. You just write the title. Like I have written the name of see. These are all the Padlets like timeline of Apollo missions. Here. Once you click on make a Padlet, you just simply share it to the students. Tell the students what topic they have to make a Padlet on. That link will be with the students unless you deactivate the link. You can deactivate the link easily. This can be done with the help of app also. It's not required to take the browser only. You can do it with the help of an app. This is one already in the gallery, picture gallery of Padlet, timeline of Apollo missions. Now I'll show you. This was a human resource Padlet that I've made. I'll share the link just now with you all here. For this link only I'm sharing. I'll just open it and I'll share the link. Now here, share का option है यहाँ पे. I'll copy link on clipboard. When you click on share, there comes copy link on clipboard.
Yeah. ये copy link from clipboard. There's a question here that how to get the link. तो link कहाँ से मिलेगा आपको? Copy
यहाँ
link.
पे ऊपर share है ऊपर.
हाँ.
Share. You click on share. Copy link on clipboard. And I will post it here in the chat box. Now, I think the link has been sent in the chat box. Now, the question
Yes.
is, what is human resource? When you open the Padlet, as soon as you click, you will get this board will open up and a plus option will come here. Or you can double click anywhere on the Padlet. Double click anywhere.
Mm-hmm.
Double click anywhere, an option will come to type.
Mm-hmm.
Double click anywhere, an option will come to type. Is it coming, Dalmia sir?
Yes, yes, yes. Plus sign is there.
Like here, everywhere students have written their name. It's easy. I've instructed students to write the name so that I know which student has submitted the answer.
Yeah.
So it is gone now?
Yeah. No, that's gone. No.
Okay.
So in this case, यहाँ पे हम लोग enter okay, we can type our answers. आप लोग कुछ भी,
Yes.
you can join and put up your answers. Okay, some
Yes,
teachers are doing
See,
it.
it's coming on the screen also.
हाँ.
If you see the screen, it's coming. Whatever you type, it is coming on my screen.
So you can see live as well कि students क्या कर रहे हैं, हम live भी देख सकते हैं उसको.
Yes. And this way students can create a lot of things. You can, if anyone can attach an image, they can attach the image also.
Very true. Very true.
When you click this plus button, you get an option to upload anywhere.
Okay.
And right now I've used this format once. I'll show how to change the format also. Here option comes for change format. The top 3 buttons are there in the right hand corner next to the setting button. Click the button, change format option comes. This is how you want to. You want to show it in the form of a timeline, it will come in the form of a timeline. You want to show it in the form of map, it will come in the form of a map. You want to make it in the form of column, it will come in the form of column. I'll show it the stream. Now the Padlet will change. The settings of the format of the Padlet, the screen will change now. This is how it will come in the form of stream.
Okay.
Yes.
Very nice. Very nice.
Yeah.
So whatever way we want, we can have it.
Yes.
Case.
Whichever way we want, we can change the format. We can, like, it is very good for history teachers also because there is an option of timeline here.
Uh-huh.
Or economics also, if you are teaching Indian economics or anything related with the date or events.
Uh-huh.
But this is how the Padlet will be seen. It's just uploading right now. Yeah, this is how
Uh-huh.
it will be shown in this form.
Very true. Very true. Very true.
Yeah, for geography teachers, if they want, like, students can draw the map, color the map, and they can attach it in the map. Then also the settings can be changed to this format, map format.
Okay.
Now the screen will be in the form of a map.
अच्छा मैम, एनी लैंग्वेज रिस्ट्रिक्शन कि इसमें हम क्वेश्चंस किसी दूसरे लैंग्वेज में भी टाइप करके डाल सकते हैं?
तो वो तो कीबोर्ड के ऊपर है. If your keyboard supports it, you can write it in any
हाँ.
language.
Okay.
That doesn't matter. Students can click picture of their work and post it here. Now, like, now this is a map and I'll have to click on this. Whatever students have written, I'll be able to see.
एक बार ये मैप कैसे आप लेकर आए, एक बार और बता दीजिएगा मैम.
Yeah.
हाउ डिड यू गेट दिस मैप?
I went to this. यहाँ पे कॉर्नर में 3 dots हैं. More का ऑप्शन आ रहा है.
या
Click on it. Change format.
अच्छा,
Here
वहाँ
comes the.
अभी नहीं दिखा रहा है.
हाँ, अभी नहीं दिखा रहा है क्योंकि मैप ऑलरेडी खुला हुआ है. यहीं पे आएगा मैप का ऑप्शन.
ओके.
हाँ. And like, this is India. Otherwise Japan, and I'll go down. One second. I've zoomed it. I'll once again show how to open the map so that like, this is like a chat box also. When you click on back channel, you get it in the form of a chat box. Then now again the map will come here. यहाँ पे. Whichever is open will not come. Which is not open, it will come. So you just
map here. Yeah. So in that change the format में जाएंगे तो the other options will be there. दूसरे options आएंगे.
Other options will be there. Yes. Other options will be there. Like, location based activities can be done with the students in this. These are already done, like here, this way. Okay, I think this is clear. We can edit it, we can change the format, we can delete also. If I want to delete any post, I can delete it very easily. Like, अगर हमें इसको share करना है अपना कहीं पे, तो जो बच्चों ने अच्छा नहीं किया है या I don't like this, ये image नहीं अच्छी है, इसको share करने में नहीं अच्छा लगेगा, I can easily delete that image. I can edit the Padlet.
Very nice, very nice.
This is, and then there is an option to publish it. When I click on share, save as an image, save as PDF file, you can easily save as an image. It will be saved to your image gallery. You can save as a PDF. A PDF can be saved. I'll show you one PDF that is there. There was this quiz that I took.
There is no restriction on the number of students who.
No restriction, nothing.
The restriction is only in free. How many Padlets we can create? Sharing may restriction.
Yes,
there's no restriction to how many people we can share that.
Yeah, yes. There's no restriction to how many people, and the same Padlet can be used in n number of classes. कि अगर हम 4 section में पढ़ा रहे हैं, so we can give the same link और सारे बच्चों का एक ही साथ it will be shown. Like I'll click on save as PDF. Publish PDF. You have to publish it. You'll have to click on publish PDF. It takes around 15 to 20 seconds for publishing. Now this is the PDF file. This is how it will come. You can save it as a PDF file. Once you can save it as an image, you can save it as a PDF file. Both way you can do it.
So, ma'am, one more question is there. So, as there is no restriction in Padlet to number of students,
Yes.
so Kahoot also there is no restriction. How many students can join?
See, normally around 100 students, it is written like only 100 students can join, but I've done like more than 100 can join. According to the app, it is only 100 students for free.
In Kahoot.
Generally, more than 100 can join. Yeah.
Okay.
I have seen around 150 could join in the live stream.
In Kahoot.
150, more than 150 were there, though it's
Okay.
mentioned in the app. But I think during this distance learning, they have removed this restriction somewhere.
Okay. So that is what ma'am is saying. In Kahoot, though app says 100 people, 100 students can join, but probably they have removed the restriction because she has seen a session where there were 150 students. 150 students. So I think it has been quite informative, ma'am. Any questions onto that? I don't think much now.
Yeah, if anyone has any question, may ask.
So बस एक था कि how just it's fine. So we'll be sharing this video on the YouTube as well, and you can watch it again. See, for any tool, the best thing is कि you just practice.
You have to practice.
थोड़े से बहुत सिंपल से टूल्स हैं, एंड आप थोड़ा सा एक बार उसको ओपन करके खुद थोड़ा सा ट्राई करेंगे तो आपके हैंड्स ऑन हो जाएगा एंड यू विल स्टार्ट एंजॉयिंग इट. एक आध बार गलती होगी, एक आध बार होगा. व्हेन आई टुक द फर्स्ट सेशन ऑन Zoom, तो आई फॉरगॉट टू स्विच ऑन द माइक. एक बटन दबाना था और मैं परेशान होता रहा. I could not do it, and then afterward I realized कि अरे I just did not press this one. So it happens. So अब उसके बाद तो हम उस पे खूब वेबिनार ले रहे हैं. So nothing like it. It's all simple. Technology is you get hang on of it. That's simple. आप जितना उसके साथ खेलेंगे, आप उतना उसमें माहिर हो जाएंगे. You just play with it and you become the master of it. So just for that, so we have just tried to trigger the surface and just to introduce you or just to motivate you to try these things.
These activities are very engaging also. Students like to do these kind of activities.
Yeah. So एक बार आपको the purpose of this session was to show you what these tools are, and एक बार अगर क्या भी मालूम पड़ता है तो आप खुद try करेंगे and then you will start doing it. So thank you so much for this session, Uzma ma'am. Thank you so much for sharing. And if any of you teachers, आप लोग जो हैं यहाँ पे, any of one of you would like to share something with others, please let me know, and we can have your session as well. आपका भी session हो सकता है. And she is doing such wonderfully well, and she is making her economics lessons so well, economics and social sciences. तो ये टूल आपके लिए बहुत अच्छे हैं फॉर थ्योरी सब्जेक्ट. सम ऑफ यू वर आस्किंग, आप लोग कुछ पूछ भी रहे थे कि हम सोशल साइंस में क्या टूल यूज कर सकते हैं या इकोनॉमिक्स.
Padlet is amazing for social science.
हाँ देखिए, तो जो टीचर्स पढ़ा रहे हैं उनको बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. एंड वी हैव योर नंबर्स, ईमेल. आई शेयर द, हम उस पर डाल देंगे मैम का जो पीपीटी आएगा. आई डेफिनेटली शेयर. And
I'll share it with you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, and we'll do something for accountancy and other subjects as well. We'll keep on doing it. Thank you so much. हिंदी में भी आप टाइप कर सकते हैं सर. इसमें पैडलेट में बस कीबोर्ड आपका सपोर्ट करे तो उसमें
कीबोर्ड सपोर्ट, हाँ
है ना. आप अगर टाइप कर सकते हैं हिंदी में तो हिंदी में भी हो सकता है, कहीं कोई दिक्कत.
सर इसमें ये भी हो सकता है कि स्टूडेंट्स को, यू कैन टेल स्टूडेंट्स टू राइट ऑन अ पीस ऑफ पेपर. दे कैन क्लिक अ फोटो एंड देन दे कैन अटैच द फोटो आल्सो. अगर हिंदी सब्जेक्ट है तो
इसमें अपलोड हो जाएगी. फोटो खींच के आप अटैच कर सकते हैं पैडलेट में. दैट इज आल्सो पॉसिबल. ठीक है. ओके. अच्छा, एक मैम ने लिखा है कि गूगल इंडिक कीबोर्ड के थ्रू हम हिंदी में कर सकते हैं. So thank you
हाँ
so
आराम
much,
से आराम से
all of you, for attending. Thank you
thank you
so
to
much, and
everyone. Yeah,
my pleasure, ma'am. It was such a nice
thank
session.
you, sir.
Thank you so much. My pleasure.
Yeah.